Hi, I'm Andrew, Product Manager at Ego. Today I'm introducing the WDV0300E, our compact 12-litre wet and dry vacuum. Designed for portability, convenience and powerful performance across a variety of indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. It's part of our lifestyle cleaning range and runs on the 56-volt Ego battery platform, making it fully cordless and compatible with all of your existing Ego 56-volt batteries. So let's start with the design. The WDV0300E features a 12-litre capacity in a compact, low-profile frame. It includes a foldable handle and onboard accessory storage, and a really simple latch system for easy access to the collection tank. Whether you're storing it in a cupboard, shelf or a work van, it's built to go where larger vacuums can't. The vacuum is powered by a brushless motor and it features two selectable power modes, Eco and Turbo. In Turbo mode, it delivers up to 144 cubic meters per hour of airflow and 149 millibars of suction pressure. That's strong suction in both wet and dry modes, suitable for sawdust, grit, general debris and clearing up water spills. Setup is simple. Insert your battery, take out the hose and select the right nozzle for the task. There's a wireless remote you can attach to the hose grip and it allows you to start, stop and switch the unit's power modes without returning to the main unit. This is especially useful when you're cleaning under furniture or in vehicles. 3 attachments are included: a wide utility nozzle for hard surfaces and a crevice nozzle with an integrated brush for tight and awkward spaces. The light bar also allows for easy cleaning in low light conditions. An included hose adapter allows connection for power tools and other applications. All accessories store away neatly into the device for easy transport and storage. The 2-meter hose, which also packs away inside the machine for storage, has a 48mm diameter. This maintains airflow while giving you flexibility. The swivel connector also helps prevent kinks and twisting during use. The unit also includes a rear blower port. This lets you reverse the airflow to clean off tools, dry surfaces, or clear out corners where vacuuming isn't practical. One of the key features of the WDV0300E is the integrated filter management system. The vacuum uses a washable main filter that can be rinsed with water and reused, reducing running costs and wastes. And to extend performance, there's also an inbuilt filter cleaning function which maintains suction during long periods of vacuuming. With the machine running in turbo, simply insert the nozzle onto the self-cleaning port and press the filter cleaning button a number of times. This pulses airflow through the filter and clears any trapped dust. The filter is also easy to remove and clean using the twist lock system inside the power head. This makes it quick to clean or swap filters between wet and dry jobs and helps prevent mold buildup or clogging over time. Replacement filters and vacuum bags, which are useful for extra filtration and easy emptying after dry vacuuming, are available as separate accessories. From a usability perspective, the WDV0300E is built for everyday convenience. The folding handle improves portability and all of the controls are glove-friendly and intuitive. Whether you're clearing out a shed, vacuuming a vehicle, or drying a wet workspace, you get consistent cordless performance in a compact format. The vacuum is part of Ego's cordless lifestyle cleaning range and fully compatible with the existing 56-volt platform. So if you already own an Ego mower, blower or trimmer, your battery and charger will work here as well. It's a useful multi-purpose addition to any cordless tool setup. And when you're finished, simply stow the hose and nozzles on board, fold up the handle and store the vacuum either upright or flat. It's compact, self-contained and easy to carry. And that's the WDV0300E, a small footprint wet dry vac with serious cleaning power and smart filter management. For detailed specifications or other support, please visit the Ego website or speak to your Ego contact. Thank you for watching.